Okay, I think we are live. So, good morning, everyone. Good evening or good afternoon, wherever you are watching us from today. Welcome to my business page. I'm Felicia Jacob, coming to you live from Malaysia. I'm so glad that you are here today for this special session as we learn from someone who has built a brighter future for himself and his family. Our team is still building a better future together, and we'll be diving into the journey of someone who has done exactly that. If you are looking for inspiration, ideas, or even just a spark of hope to pursue your dreams, you are in the right place. Today, we are honored to have Ryan Alexander Lim with us. He's a registered nurse by profession from the Philippines, a devoted family man, and with a wife, two children, and someone whose life has been transformed through this business. So many of you, or maybe some of you, may have heard from his sharing. If you are one who has registered on my website, and he's one of the panelists before. And so, but today we are going to dive deeper into his story behind his success. So let's welcome Ryan with a warm welcome. Hello.
Hi. Hello,
Hi,
Felicia.
Ryan. Yeah,
It's good to be here
good
in your
evening to
business.
you. Yeah,
Yeah,
you can still hear me clearly?
yeah, good. Loud and
Okay.
clear.
Okay, good. So, Ryan, welcome. It is such a privilege to have you with us today. Uh, you are the first man whom I invited for an interview session. In the
Oh,
past, I've been interviewing some of our business community. They are all mostly ladies. So you are the first one men. So we've heard bits of pieces of your inspiring journey during the webinars, and that's how I come to know about you as well. And it's clear that your story resonates with so many, and you are a professional nurse, a dedicated
mm,
husband. I mean, I gathered this from your sharing actually, uh, and a
okay.
father, and now you are a successful entrepreneur. And I'm excited to learn how this business has changed your life and how you've managed to balance it all while building a better future for your family. So, thank you for joining us. Maybe before we start, Ryan, I would like to pass this time to you. Maybe you have a short brief to introduce yourself. That anything that I've missed out.
Okay, thank you so much, Felicia, and thank you so much for inviting me in your business page. So it's been an honor to be here on your page. Okay, by the way, I am Ryan Lim. I am Ryan Alexander Lim. I am a registered nurse by profession, as what Felicia have told you. I'm a dad of two. I've been working a nurse educator, not in the hospital, but I'm a nurse educator for 18 years. So I started my profession 2006. Then I married 2014, and I'm also a brick and mortar business owner, but it was managed by my family. Actually, it's a sand and gravel, but it's a traditional one. So it's a different kind of business, but it's only my name that is being used in that business for our tax in the Philippines before. But I started this digital business 2021. So yeah, and it's been almost, I think almost 4 years. I think next year I'll be 4 years in this digital business, and I'm so loving this digital business. So I'm a proud mentor of this digital business. That's my brief background, Felicia.
Uh, you have siblings?
What?
Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have. I have two,
If so, two of you in the
brother,
family.
brother
Oh,
and sister. Three in all.
three of
I have two siblings. Yeah,
you are the eldest?
yeah. I'm the eldest.
I see. Okay. So a little bit brief about myself. I have not introduced myself to you. As you all know, my name is Felicia Jacob, and
Yeah,
I come from Malaysia. I'm a Chinese. My dialect is Hokkien. Like in the Philippines, is Tagalog we call. I don't know, maybe
yeah.
your Tagalog got still some more. I have two children, three children, sorry, I'm remembering yours. I have three children, two young adults, and my youngest is in the college right now. Um, so what else? I have seven of us siblings altogether,
Mm-mm.
and I'm being the youngest in the family. So I think that's a little bit brief about myself. The rest, I think our audience, someone who is watching us live right now, you can still feel free to browse through my page to know more better. So Ryan, if you are ready, we shall move on to our first question.
Okay.
Okay, wait. So Ryan, this question is about your personal journey and transformation. Can you share with us what life was like for you before joining this business? What challenges or dreams were you facing as a nurse and a family man?
Okay. Thank you for that, Felicia. Before joining into this digital business, as what I have told you earlier, I'm a nurse educator. So I do some lectures on students who wants to become a registered nurse in the Philippines at the same time who wants to become a registered nurse also here in the USA. So it's been a good profession because being a nurse educator, you are paid well. And if you travel to some other place, everything is free. The airfare, the hotel, even your food, it's free. So me and my wife, but my wife is also a nurse, but she's working in the bedside. Actually, uh, before we have this journey in the US, because we just migrated here in the US, Felicia, last June. So before we were in a long distance relationship with my wife because she's working in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So she's working as an emergency nurse, at the same time a pediatric nurse, and then maternal and child. It's an maternal and delivery unit in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So that was our life before having this one. But when the global health crisis hit, I think you know what happened in 2020. That was an eye opener for me because with my job, it is it is vulnerable, and of course we don't do the face to face that time because of what happened in the global there's that global health crisis that happened. So we don't have face to face, so my job was affected, it stopped. So that was an eye opener for me that we need to have a safety net, we need to have a plan B in case that our job retired. Our job retired from us. We are not retiring, but the job, because this is the reality of life, Felicia. You can be replaced anytime. If you are working in a corporate job or if you're working in an office, you are replaceable. That is the reality of life. Your employer can say, thank you for all your services. You are good to go, something like that. So that was my eye opener in 2020. That's why I need to find another stream of income, because during that time my wife is pregnant with our first kid. So you know how we need money or financial matters. If example, if you have already a family of our own, so especially if we have our kid. So my perspective has changed when we have our first son, because of course we need to provide for our son. So what made me decide to jump into this business, because every time my wife needs to go back to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I can feel it in her eyes, the loneliness, the sadness of not being with our kids. Actually, we miss a lot, because during the time that my wife will be going back to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I my job, I also got my job back slowly, by gradually, and then we don't have a choice but to leave our son to my parents-in-law, which is the father and mother of my wife. So we miss a lot of milestone with our kids. And I think you can resonate as a mother. It's very hard. It's very hard if your child is not with you. So that is when I decided to do this digital business. When I how do you call this one? When I have this business, I think it's God's way. I consider it as an answered prayer for me, because of course it's so painful not to be with your kids. So I jump in, and then everything is history when I jump in with this business. So those were the challenges before uh, having this digital business, Felicia.
Okay. I heard you talk about it. That was during the pandemic hit,
Yeah.
and it's true enough. When the pandemic hit, a lot of those people who are in the retail business, those especially uh, mostly needed the physical contact to run their
Mm-mm,
business,
mm-mm,
and especially even employees, staff, industrial area,
mm-mm.
because we were trying to avoid crowd right during the pandemic. So
Yeah.
it was a quite difficult moment for most people. And you were talking about also we can get laid off easily
Mm.
because they will start to cut budget. In order to
Yeah.
do that, they need to like probably the last in will be the first out,
Like
that
that.
kind of way. So I truly can understand, and it's also your pain point that I see. You are living a long distance relationship. As a family, of course, we want our family to be together. So that
Mm.
was how long when you have to leave your child with the parents-in-law?
Uh, of course, we are so busy. Sometimes it took 8 months, because my wife will be in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for uh 8 to 10 months. She will be working for 10 months, and then she have a 2 month vacation in the Philippines. So I think 8 months. Then from time to time, I'll just visit them, because of course my parents-in-law are living in a different island in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Uh, I was in a, I was before that formally I'm a banker. So even
Okay.
though I come back home daily, but that living few hours, sometimes 1 2 hours, because when after the long hours of working in the office, and the moment I step in, the things running and the busyness the whole day you're on, until the time that looks like you close shop and you come back, and most of the time along the way we I get so tired, and so that short period of time just to have meals, and we very quickly got to take our shower and then to take our rest and to get ready for the next day. So you see, it's not much of a difference there, where we are around daily, but it's look like not really present as well. That's
Mm.
how I feel when I was having my job. I was working in the bank for about 30 years.
Yeah.
So, and I came into this business uh, by, I don't know, because I was watching a YouTube on news, and suddenly there's an ad pop up. There's my mentor, and I resonate with her stories, and well, I get curious, and I wanted to explore more. And of course, I do have that kind of skeptical mind, that a
Mm.
lot of scams and all this. So I try to be careful, but somehow I follow the conscience of my heart, and I feel
Mm.
that I can trust this person's sharing somehow. And I thank God for it, that because I'm a person who hardly in the social media actually, but
Mm.
uh, I heard some of our business community where they have been searching for business online, and here and there. They have tried several types of business online, and it failed. It doesn't go through well. A lot of costs, expenses. I didn't go through all this. I wasn't a social media person, but somehow
Mm.
when that ad came to me, and looks like it's just at the right time, and I explore, and that's how then I came in. So thank you for that. So can we move on?
Yeah. Okay.
I would like to hear from you as well, your turning point. What made you decide to join this business on January the 8th, 2021? Maybe you've shared a little bit just now. Was there a specific moment or motivation that drove you to take that leap?
Okay, thank you for that. Yes, Felicia, I think that was out of desperation because actually I have savings with my job when that crisis happened. Then after 3 months, that goes on and on and on, and I was buried in debt. Actually, I'm vulnerable. I will say that one. And it's a real talk that I was buried in debt that time. So I was desperate enough to get out of that. So one of my main goal or one of my biggest why in joining this one is, of course, to change my situation, which together with my wife and my child to get together in one roof. And then second is of course the financial. So at first, of course, I don't have any idea about this digital business, but for me, this is an answered prayer for me. So when I look at it, it ticks all the boxes of a digital business because I saw my friend who is working right now in Australia. When I jumped into the community, I saw my friend. So my skepticism diminished or reduced because I saw my friend. So this is not a scam. So because like in 2020, there are lots of scams online. So good thing I follow my heart. And then those were the times that I really need to do something. I need to do something for my family to change our situation. So that's it. That's why even though I don't know also my mentor is from California. She's also a nurse. But that is the beauty of this business because we are not bugging friends and family. And that is one of the thing that I love about this business because aside from no bugging of friends and family, there is no selling involved because it is the system that will do the selling for us.
True. Especially if we are introvert type, or we are shy to open our mouth. Of course we do not want to keep chasing after people. I'm not, even though I work in the bank, we have this marketing
Yeah.
field. I'm on the operational line, but we do have the KPI that we need to meet with. Even though
Yeah.
we are operational, we still need to go find referral, some marketing.
That's right.
So I know how is it. I don't really have that kind of marketing skills. But this business really fits well. As like you
Yeah.
say, we don't need to go bargain. We just need to do our part and learn from the trainings, pick up some skills and all this. So I'm sure you're glad that you have found this business, and wow, it's been coming 4 years, right?
Yeah.
So now you and your family are all together in USA.
USA. USA.
How old is your child now?
My eldest is 4 years old, and my daughter is 11. She just turned 11 today. 11 months.
Okay, so that was the child that where you're having where you just started the business. Okay, 4 years old, right? The eldest.
Yeah, the 4 years. Yeah.
Okay, so glad, so glad. Um, right now, we shall move on. Our last and final question. So,
Yes.
you mentioned in previous webinar, I heard that this business has, like what you mentioned, has changed your life. So, can you share with our audience? Um, where's my slide? Okay, it doesn't come up. Hold on. Okay. Now, can you share the key ways it has impacted your family and your perspective on building a future? So,
Okay.
meaning you're going to stay on with this business and it can go as very wide, right?
Yeah.
So, also, what advice would you give to someone considering a similar journey?
Yeah. Actually, Felicia, this business really changed my whole self to become the best version of myself. Because when I started this business, of course, in my mind, actually, I will be very honest. I just want to have my money back. I just want to have that return of investment as fast as I can. But along the way, I realized that you need to develop yourself first. So, what I love about this business is the training side is not only about the marketing side, it's not only about financial matter, but it is the whole aspect of yourself to become the best version of yourself. So in the training, it is giving you some seminars, it is giving you some mastermind, which will develop yourselves into someone who is very confident, into someone who is very knowledgeable about the business. So before, I used to have my full-time job and I'm having this business as a side hustle. So what I love about this business is I can incorporate it with my full-time job during break time, during because it doesn't need to be physically present because of we have that automation system that runs in the background 24/7. So although you're sleeping, so that is what impacted the business. I can have time with my family. I can have time with my wife and my kids, time to those person that truly matters the most. So 2022 came. Remember, my vision when I started this business is to be with my wife and my kid under one roof. And it happened.
Mhm.
2022, I told my wife na, Mommy, you can go home here in the Philippines for good because I think we can do it. I think I can provide you, not working in some other country. I want you to be I want you to be with our baby. So my wife was very happy. I think that is one of the greatest achievement that uh, my business or this digital business has given us, because my wife even penned a letter for me that she's so thankful to me that although she was skeptical at first, my wife doesn't want me to do this business at first, but good thing I follow my heart. I told her, me, if this is the way that could change our situation, the long distance relationship, I will do it. And I told her that anyway, we have our friend here inside in the community. So this is a business with integrity. This is a business, an honest one. So I told her. So when I decided to retire her from her Kingdom of Saudi Arabia job, She was so happy, and she's so thankful to me because even though if uh, it is a struggle to take care of our kids, but it is more important than crying from another country because you are not with your kids. So I think that is one of the biggest impact the business has given me. Aside from that, the personal development that I gain, because to tell you, Felicia, I am not that confident. Even though I'm a nurse educator by profession, I am in front of hundreds of people doing lectures in nursing. But uh, here, going into the social media, going to go live, I don't have that confidence before. But because of the business, so I always see that word that if your why doesn't make you cry, it's not a big why. So a lot of tears happen before we achieve this dream of being together. And then, of course, yeah, it when it comes to personal development, I become so positive in life. Before I was a warrior, I always worry about things. I always worry about the future. But when I started this digital business, it really transformed me 360-degree. It really transformed my life. It transformed uh, my perspective. It transformed my individuality. It transformed everything. It transformed, especially, it's not only the aspect of financial, it is also emotional. It is also your physical. Of course, you need to be healthy, of course, to be with your child. So yeah, and I think that's it. And one of the things that I love about this business, Felicia, is I was able to bring it here in the US. So when an opportunity came, my wife was hired as a dialysis nurse here in Pennsylvania, USA. When she told me that, Dad, can we go to the US? Can we migrate to the US? I just said yes because I know that I am bringing this business anywhere. So that's why right now, um, I give up some of my job in the Philippines, but I am so happy because this is so worth it to be with my kids. I'm a hands-on dad right now. I'm proud. I'm proud full-time dad right now with my kids. So every milestone, it is worth it. It is worth remembering. It is worth sharing the milestones of my babies right now.
Uh,
And how about advice?
yeah,
Sorry. For the
yeah,
advice, guys,
yeah. Right.
a lot of you might be skeptical and a lot of people might be looking for something in the online space. This one is legit because in the Philippines I paid tax. This is I'm so proud to say that we are in the Philippines. It is governed by Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR. We have that one for the taxes in the Philippines, and of course from wherever part of the world you are, this is legit because of course it is, you are inclined with the taxes. And for those who are looking for something that could change your life, this could be the key to your dream. All you have to do is to connect with Felicia Jacob. She's a good mentor, of course, and be brave enough. If you want to change your life, be brave enough to try something new, to try a thing that is out of the way. This is not for tech savvy people only. This is not for people with a business background only. This business works especially for ordinary people. So, guys, we are here. We are real people. We want to show you with this Go Live that we are real people doing this business. We are not scammers, of course. So, this is a real business, is a real business, real people, and real results. And I think, Felicia, I would like to end this one with a. I think this is not a Bible quote, but I learned this one from one of our meeting or a mastermind meeting with our group in spirituality. Uh, it is saying that in order to become successful, you should stop making God part of your plan. You might be wondering, "Huh, why stop making God part of your plan?" What I'm telling you is instead of making God part of your plan, ask God to make you part of His plan. That is how you become successful. It's about God. So I think that's Alicia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ryan. I I think to even further for what you said just now, because just recently, just the last Sunday, we also heard this sharing that is many of us who because I'm a Christian, so I share this
Mm,
of my concern. We are like precondition it. We believe in God, and then but we precondition it. Say, God, if you make me success in what term? How we determine our success? Many of us mostly think that the success it should be like something in terms of material, in terms of
mm,
financial, but it's beyond that. Like into this business, before we can run our business well, we got to know our business. So that's why we need a lot of patience. We
mm.
need to go through the trainings as like many others. You know, uh, CEO or entrepreneurs, they are not born, but I mean, they can be trained.
Yeah.
So I believe that, and even myself, I come from the background as an employee. I think somehow my growth wasn't there.
Mm.
Uh, what I meant is that in terms of my mindset,
Yeah.
because every day we've been doing the same thing,
Yeah.
and it's very hard for us to have any leisure time to explore anything. And even some of us, if employee of a big corporate company, we are not allowed to jump into any other business besides that we are a full-time employee. So
Mm,
we are like living in a limitation to explore.
mm.
Probably there may be some who is doing that discreetly, I don't know, but that is how our situation. So it's like what you say, making trusting in every journey of our life is that we need to uh, sometimes we need to feel the fear, we need to overcome it, we need to surpass our, come out from the comfort zone, and then is where our eye is open.
Yeah.
Wow, then only we know, oh, I was there and now I'm here. If not, we would not know to taste it. So it's just barely just a word that you and I are sharing.
That's
So
really true.
I hope our audience and many friends or relatives who are listening, I hope today's sharing has given you some insights. So thank you, Ryan. Thank you for sharing your story with us. You've been so vulnerable and genuine. It's truly
Yeah.
inspiring to see how you've embraced the change and turned the challenges into opportunities, not just for yourself, but also for your family. You are all together.
Yeah.
So I'm happy for you as well. Your journey also reminds us all that it's never too late. It's
Mm.
never too late to work it out on your dream and take action to build a better future for yourself, for your family. And to everyone who is listening, if you've been inspired by today's sharing, I encourage you to take this next step. Uh, that is to register yourself in my website. Just by your name and email address, you will get to watch the complimentary webinar. That is how we all started.
Yeah.
And you can then make your informed decision. So Ryan's story has also showed us how the right mindset and the support can make the transformation possible. So I think that's about it. So let's continue to build a better future. And thank you for joining us. And stay tuned for more inspiring stories that I will be interviewing some others, business community. So have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you for joining us once again. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. I
Thank
hope
you.
I hope one day I'll meet you physical.
Yeah, yeah, soon, soon. I hope so. I'm hoping
Okay.
also.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much,
So, by the
Ryan.
way, last word,
Yeah.
Felicia. This group is amazing, and our community is amazing. It's a very helping group. So we want to help you guys. If you really want to change your life, Felicia is here. Connect with her. Connect with her. She is a good one. She's a good person, and of course, that is the one. Just register your name and your email ad on her website. Take a look at it. That is the key to your dreams. Thank you and good night.
Yeah. Thank you. And good night, Ryan. Your side is evening.
Yes, it's evening here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it.